for $10,000, I would say that you can get a countertop change. You can have the vanity painted. You have the bathroom painted. You can do a change like offer a bidet toilet that now are getting very popular, and you're out. Ultimately, for the $10,000, you're looking to refresh. You're not doing a complete demo and start over. This is just a refresh, and you can do that for many reasons. One, you're selling the house and you need the refresh to sell the house. And two, you're tired of the same old and you don't need a full bathroom remodel. Again, you only need a refresh. Coat of fresh paint always goes a long way. Obviously, you know that we cannot change the layout. We cannot even touch the shower for $10,000. So leave that alone. If you have a tub, leave that alone as well. So the benefit you have is fresh coat of paint, countertop for sure. People do love a fresh countertop. It kind of adds more life to the vanity cabinetry as well, into the bathroom altogether. And then the bidet toilet. Do it or not do it. Bidet toilet is a must. To what extent you're gonna go with the bidet style, and if you want that to also dry and sterilize itself, that's a different question. But as a simple function of the washing function, I think you must do. And then from that point, it is to be seen if you want to add more to what that toilet can do for the money. In general, again, depends what you want to do and what is the goal. If you sell in a home, telling someone that the electrical and the plumbing is there for a bidet toilet is a big deal. There is still many people that don't understand what exactly it takes to get a bidet toilet working. And I'm not talking to you about just the seat that is a bidet. I'm talking to you about the bidet toilet. So it is a big plus for you if that is already there, ready to go. So if the next buyer wants it, they can have it. All they have to do is purchase the bidet toilet. If you just want something because you're bored, then I will explore with you the option of, all right, let's double check and see the higher level of what a bidet toilet is. Just for people that are curious, there is bidet toilets now that can sink to you, warm up the seat for you, light up, disinfect themselves, disinfect you if it's necessary, and all kinds of other things. So it is a question and a dialogue that I can totally have with you. Remember, I come with a 50-year-old experience of using bidet toilet in Europe, so I do know what I'm talking about.